Check this out. This little bunny walks on its own. And look at those amazed faces. No batteries, no tricks, just pure gravity magic. Want to make your own? Let's build it together. Time to build our magic bunny. We've got 3 main parts. A little glue here, a little snap there, and done. It's coming to life. Now for the final touch. The nose. Just slide it into the middle piece's slot and perfect fit. Eyes on point. Now we place the little cylinder in the center to hold all 3 pieces together. Make sure it's well aligned, and done. Our bunny can see the world now. Time to add the legs. First, place the large cylinder in the center of the body, right where it needs to be. Now, the small cylinder goes underneath, acting as a stop for the movement. And there you go. The legs are all set. Now, let's glue the large cylinders. We'll apply glue through the gaps, making sure they are nice and secure. On the rabbit's front legs, we'll apply a thin layer of cold silicone. This will provide adhesion to the surfaces. Time to add some color. I'm painting the ears pink, but you can choose any color you like. Let your creativity run wild. Now, I'm painting the nose the same color, the teeth in a nice ivory shade, and the pupils of the eyes black. The little bunny is really starting to take shape. I painted the iris blue, but you can choose any color you like. I painted the little tail in classic ivory, but if you want to add your own twist, feel free to change it up. To bring it to life, after letting it dry, apply clear liquid silicone to the eyes to make them look realistic. This will add a super lifelike touch. Look how cute it turned out. On an inclined plane with a gentle push, the bunny starts walking. I hope you liked the video. See you next time.